Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Want a simple, powerful way to organize your notes, tasks, projects, and pretty much anything else in life? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through Notion for beginners. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your first workspace, create pages, manage tasks, and start building productivity systems that work for you, all inside Notion. So what is Notion anyway? Notion is an all-in-one workspace app that combines note-taking, task lists, databases, and dashboards. Imagine rolling together Google Docs, Trello boards, and Airtable spreadsheets. That's kind of the vibe. It's insanely flexible, so you can customize it to fit how you think and work best. To get started, head over to Notion.so and sign up for a free account. Notion works in your browser, but there are desktop and mobile apps too, which I highly recommend for speed and offline access, especially if you like to write or check things on the go. Once you're inside, look to the sidebar and hit plus new page. This is where you'll build all your pages. Don't worry about making everything perfect from the start. Just creating your first page gets you moving. Now, let's talk about blocks. In Notion, everything is made up of blocks, whether it's text, a heading, an image, a checklist, or a table. Blocks are like Lego bricks that you build your workspace with. Here's a handy tip. Just type a / and you open Notion's command menu. Let's say you want a big, bold heading. Type and heading 1. Want a checklist? Use to do. Need a table to track something? Type a table. You can also add call-out blocks, perfect for highlighting an important note or action item. Try typing out a paragraph, then add a checklist underneath with a to do. This is super useful for keeping notes and actionable tasks together so you don't lose track. Where Notion really starts to shine is databases. Databases are like supercharged tables or boards. You can build a table like spreadsheets with rows and columns. Boards look like Trello for moving tasks between stages. You've even got calendars and gallery views, perfect for managing events or visual notes. Here's a practical example. Create a tasks database with columns for task name, status, like to do, in progress, done, due date, and priority. Each row is actually a page, meaning you can open it up and add more details or notes. You can switch between board view when you want a Kanban workflow or calendar view to see your deadlines and schedule at a glance. If you're working on bigger projects, you'll want to start linking databases together. This is where relations and rollups come in. You can relate, say, your tasks database to your projects database, so every task is attached to a specific project. Rollups let you pull in information across linked databases. For example, you can display the percentage of tasks complete for each project. Great for checking progress without sifting through every detail. Templates are Notion's secret weapon for saving time and keeping things consistent. Just use a template to create reusable content blocks. Notion has lots of built-in templates for personal planning, meeting notes, CRMs, habit tracking, you name it. And if you want even more options, check out the Notion template gallery online. There are tons of free user-made options you can duplicate into your own workspace. Collaboration is super easy in Notion. Share any page or database with teammates with granular permissions. View, comment, or edit. You can mention people with the @ symbol to notify them and add comments pretty much anywhere. On Windows, just hit Ctrl+Shift+M or CMD+Shift+M on Mac. And you can leave feedback without disrupting a page's layout. To keep your growing workspace organized, use folders in the sidebar to nest pages together. Adding icons and covers isn't just decorative, it makes navigation faster and more visual. For quick searching, use Ctrl+P or CMD+P to jump to any page instantly. This is a lifesaver once your Notion starts getting busy. If you need ideas to get started, here are a few easy beginner projects. Build a simple to-do list table with checkboxes and maybe add a progress formula, a content calendar database with statuses, or a personal wiki to link together notes on topics you care about. Try a budget tracker table to monitor expenses. It's really up to you. When you're feeling comfortable, explore Notion's more advanced features. Formulas, like Excel, but generally simpler, Notion buttons for automation, and Notion AI to help summarize notes, generate tasks, or brainstorm. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get started, hit that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions or ideas, and subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials like this one. Happy organizing in Notion!